Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to solve the Litmatch login error on your iPhone with some simple troubleshooting steps. Let's get started. Solution 1. Enable or turn off airplane mode. Step 1. Open the control center on your iPhone by swiping down from the top right corner. Step 2. Tap on the airplane mode icon to turn it on. Step 3. Wait for about 30 seconds, then tap the airplane mode icon again to turn it off. Step 4. Alternatively, you can switch your network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to check if it resolves the issue. Solution 2. Update the Litmatch app. Step 1. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Step 2. In the search bar, type Litmatch and search for the app. Step 3. If there's an update available, tap the update button next to the app. Step 4. Once updated, open the Litmatch app and check if the login issue is fixed. Solution 3. Offload and reinstall the Litmatch app. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on General. Step 3. Tap on iPhone Storage. Step 4. Find the Litmatch app in the list and tap on it. Step 5. Tap on Offload app and confirm by tapping Offload again. Step 6. Reinstall the Litmatch app from the App Store. Step 7. Finally, restart your iPhone to make sure everything is running smoothly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tips.